Students, today we are here to discuss about force and pressure. So, first of all, what is force? A pull or push is known as force. Force is responsible of change the position of object. Physics unit of force is dyne. SI unit of force is Newton. 1 Newton is equal to 108 dynes. Factors of force. Force can change the shape of object. Force can change direction of object. Force can change the position of object. There are two types of forces: non-contact force and contact force. Contact force. The force which occurs when there is a physical contact between two interacting objects is known as contact force. It depends on area of force in contact. Example: muscular force, frictional force, normal force, tension force. Non-contact force. The force which occurs when there is no physical contact between two interacting objects is known as non-contact force. It depends on difference between objects. Example: magnetic force, electrostatic force, and gravitational force. Muscular force. Force which is caused by the action of our muscles is known as muscular force. Example: writing, lifting, standing, etc. Muscular force comes into contact force. Frictional force. Friction is the force that opposes relative motion between two surfaces in contact. Example: walking on floor, holding object with our fingers. For standing purpose also, we should need friction. Non-contact force. Magnetic force. The force exerted by magnet is called magnetic force. Force exerted by a magnet is known as non-contact force. Force exerted by magnet on a piece of iron is also known as non-contact force. Electrostatic force. A straw is said to have acquired change after it has been rubbered with a sheet of paper. Such straw is example of charged body. Take another straw and suspend it from edge of a table. A straw rubbered with a paper, another straw, but repels. If it is also been with a sheet of paper, the force exerted by charged body on another uncharged body is known as electrostatic force. This force comes into play even when the bodies are not in contact. So, electrostatic force is a non-contact force. Gravitational force. Objects or things fall down towards the earth because it pulls them. This force is called force of gravity or just gravity. This is an attractive force. Gravity is not a property of Earth alone. In fact, every object in the universe, whether smaller or large, exists a force is known as a gravitational force. Example: water in rivers flows downward, etc. Pressure. The force acting on a unit area of surface is called pressure. Pressure is equal to force by area. SI unit of pressure is Pascal. 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton by 7 meters square. Atmosphere. The envelope of air around is called atmosphere. What is atmospheric pressure? The pressure exerted by air is known as atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure can be measured by barometer. When you press the rubber sucker, most air between its cup and the surface escapes. The sucker sticks to the surface because of atmosphere acts on it. Okay, students, our lesson is completed. Thank you.